Now I know. Eyeshadow is so scary, right? Oh my gosh, where do I even begin? Start simple. Start with using just one color in the palette, maybe even two. Today I'm going to be using just two shades out of one of my favorite palettes. This is called the Desert Sands palette. It is neutral browns and peachy tones. So the first shade that I'll be using is called a transition shade. And I'm going to be taking a large blending brush. I tap it gently into the color because a little bit goes a long way. And then I do windshield wiper motions back and forth, or you can also do very small circles, but you don't want to press hard on your lid, very gently. And you can keep going back into that color, dabbing your brush again, because a little bit gives you that airbrushed look. All right, color number two, we're going for a darker color now. I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to concentrate on the outer corner of my eye, going in kind of like a upside down C. I'm tapping the color on and then I am blending it out. And this is going to give me that definition from using that light color at first and then the darker color second. Windshield wiper motion. Now going back with my blending brush, blending out the edges to make sure that everything seamlessly runs together. And there you have it. Don't forget to press that like and follow button for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.